If you're using salicylic acid and retinol hoping your acne will disappear, but it hasn't, or you just want to know what acne products work the best, this is for you. The real acne-fighting duo isn't what you've been told. In this video, I'm sharing the 2 products that I recommend to every single client I work with, even the tough, hormonal, cystic kind, and how to use them correctly so that your skin finally clears up and stays clear. And you might have guessed, they're not salicylic acid or retinol. I'm Rebecca, an acne specialist who's been treating acne virtually and in person for almost 20 years. I also had acne for a long time and finally figured out how to clear my own skin when dermatology couldn't. And honestly, when I learned about these 2 products and how to use them the right way, it changed everything. Not just for my clients, but for my own skin too. Okay, let's start with the one that gets the most hate. Benzoyl peroxide. I know. I'm sure it's not your favorite product. If you've tried benzoyl before and it made your skin dry, flaky, and irritated, it wasn't the product. It was how you were using it. No one believes me when I say this, but it's true. When you use benzoyl peroxide the right way, you'll love what it'll do for your acne. Most people start too strong, too fast, or use the wrong formula. And of course their skin barrier freaks out. It's a strong product. But when used the right way, benzoyl peroxide is one of the most effective ingredients for reducing and preventing breakouts. My clients have cleared some of the most stubborn and severe cases of acne using this product, even when other medications and treatments had failed. So why does your skin need this product? It kills acne-causing bacteria in your pores, reduces inflammation, clears clogged pores out, and balances oil production. It can even control hormonal acne topically, like in these cases. Let's talk about quality. A lot of the benzoyl products you'll find at the drugstore are made with pore-clogging ingredients. Yes, they're supposed to treat your acne, but can actually cause it. Unfortunately, this happens way too often in the skincare industry. I say this all the time. If you're acne prone, never trust a label. Always check the ingredients. Just to show you what I mean, I have 3 examples of common benzoyl peroxide products that will actually cause acne, with the pore-clogging ingredients highlighted in red. The other problem with over-the-counter benzoyl peroxide products is that the strength is usually diluted. This is to make sure the product is safe for the general population and to reduce the manufacturer's liability. It happens all the time with skincare products. You actually need a license to sell the strong stuff. So that 5 or 10% you think you're getting, probably a 2.5. In order for your benzoyl peroxide to truly work, you need to be using a clean, clinical-grade formula with the right pH so it doesn't burn your skin and no clogging ingredients. This will make the difference between getting great results or none. Here's the exact method I use with my clients, and it works for all skin types, even sensitive, and even if you think your skin hates this product. First, be sure you aren't actually allergic to benzoyl peroxide. Allergies happen, but they are rare. You probably know if you are. If your skin has gotten red, peely, or dry, that's normal irritation, which I'll show you how to avoid. But if your skin gets itchy welts or hives, or your face feels hot or swollen or stinging, that's an allergy. If you're not sure, do a patch test where you put the product on your inner elbow for 3 nights in a row. If nothing happens, you can safely use it on your face. Start with a 2.8% if you're sensitive or if you're a teen, and a 5% for everyone else. A small dime-sized amount is all you need to cover your whole face. You'll apply it every other night for 2 weeks, in a thin layer all over your face, but avoid your eye area in a big circle. You can also skip your smile lines. That area is really sensitive. Always apply to hydrated skin. Yes, you need a hydrator underneath. My favorite one is Clearology Balancing Gel Moisturizer. It prevents flaking and doesn't interfere with benzyl's activity. After 2 weeks, you can start using the benzoyl peroxide every night. In about 6 weeks, increase the strength to 5 or 10% and alternate that with your lower strength product for 2 weeks. Then use the stronger one every night. Once you're using the highest percentage every night, stay there. It takes about 12 full weeks to kick in for best results. Use it every night, and it will keep your skin clear and prevent acne from forming in the long run. Use a non-clogging moisturizer like Clearology's Peptide Treatment Cream or Balancing Moisturizer. And optional but amazing is my timed method. This is only if your skin is super sensitive. I'll post a link below this video. So there you go. Now you know how to use benzoyl peroxide the right way to get the best results. Stay tuned. I have a bonus tip coming up for you at the end. I'll share with you one of my best tips to use along with these two products. It's super effective and it's a game changer for acne-prone skin. Now let's talk about the product you probably don't know about, but definitely should. Mandelic acid. And it's the real superhero. What I've seen after 15 years of using this on myself and on my clients, mandelic acid is way more effective than salicylic acid at controlling what actually causes acne, the daily dead skin buildup happening inside your pores. Salicylic is great when it comes to oil control, but oil is not the main problem in acne-prone skin. When you have acne, your skin sheds lots of extra layers of dead skin cells inside your pores every day. This forms a comedone, the start of all pimples. Mandelic acid targets the sticky dead cells that clog your pores and cause acne in the first place. Without those comedones, it's hard for acne to form. So mandelic acid effectively controls and prevents acne when you use it every day. Personally, I've used mandelic acid for 15 years, almost every day, to keep my acne under control. It prevents it before it can even form. One thing with mandelic acid is that in order for it to be effective, it has to be L-mandelic acid, not D-mandelic. D-mandelic is a different ingredient and doesn't work the same way. Be sure to check your label. Mandelic acid is an exfoliant. So in addition to fighting acne, it increases cell turnover like a mini chemical peel and helps your skin look radiant. I call it the mandelic glow. It's also anti-aging, fades red marks, dark spots, treats fungal acne, rosacea, and it reduces inflammation. I'll link to my favorite benzoyl peroxide and mandelic serum below this video. Start by using a low strength, a 5 or 8% mandelic serum, every other morning after washing your face. Follow with a non-clogging moisturizer and sunscreen. In 2 weeks, once your skin adjusts, go to daily use. From there, you can bump up the strength in 6 weeks. Be sure to wear a good SPF with this product because it does exfoliate your skin. Here's how I combine these two products inside my program and what I show every client who's serious about getting results. Morning 1, you'll use mandelic serum. Evening 2, you'll use your benzoyl peroxide. Repeat this, alternating mornings and nights for the first 2 weeks. Moisturize generously. A hydrated barrier equals much better results. After 2 weeks, you can start to use your mandelic serum every morning and your benzoyl peroxide every night. And be sure to use a non-clogging moisturizer. This method gives your skin time to adjust so it doesn't get dry or irritated, and it targets both bacteria and clogged pores at the same time. It'll give you faster and more consistent results. And here's a bonus tip that'll make your products work even better. It sounds simple, but make sure your skin barrier is hydrated. And one of the best ways to do that is with a moisturizing cleanser. Yep, that's right. When you have acne, it's actually best to skip the harsh medicated cleansers. Set your skin up right from the very first step by moisturizing your lipid barrier, and your active treatment products will work much better and faster without irritation. If you want to try the exact benzoyl peroxide and mandelic formulas I use in my clinic, I'll link them for you below this video. They're part of the Clearology brand, designed specifically for acne-prone skin, no pore-clogging ingredients ever, and the two products are made to work together without irritation. Okay, now I want to hear from you. Have you used benzoyl peroxide before? Did it help? Did it wreck your skin? Let me know your experience in the comments. Most people think they hate this product. And if this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and to share it with somebody who needs help with their skin but afraid of benzoyl peroxide. They just need to know how to use it the right way. Thanks for watching. I'm Rebecca the Acne Coach, and I'll see you in the next video with tips on how to clear your skin faster and smarter.